I'm Clyde Mosley. This is my shop, and we're going to talk about sharpening carving tools. This is a grinder which you've no doubt seen many times before. It's a very important machine, but it has to be used in a very special way. When you want to sharpen a carving tool, such as this gouge, frequently use a jig to hold the tool and then present the tool to the work like this. And the jig holds it in the proper position to cut your exact predetermined angle on the cutter. This machine must always be used on the outside surface of the wheel. You never present the tool to the sides of the wheel. The wheels must be clean, and in order to clean the wheels, you have to tear the surface of the wheel off. This is a diamond scraping tool, which is used to clean the surface of the wheel. Will tear the surface of the wheel off, and you can see it turning white now. This rest must be presented over here on the wheel like this in order to tear the surface off. And when you cut the surface off, it will turn white, just as this wheel did. Now, these carving tools can be presented to the lathe like, or the grinder like this, and turned over, and you're always grinding against the cutting edge. Very important. Now, finish grinding is done over here on hand stones. There are many types of stones, as you can see here. Some are water stones, some are oil stones, and some are used dry. These are manufactured stones in different shapes like this. And this is something that we've started recently. We use sandpaper to do sharpening. It's mounted on a piece of glass with a pressure-sensitive adhesive, and then can be used to sharpen the tool like this. Again, going against the cutting edge, always against the cutting edge. You even have small shaped grinding tools like this for different shapes of carving tools. There are all different grits of stone to give you a fast cut or a polished surface.